Your entrepreneurial journey of exploration can unlock secrets to success in the ever-evolving landscape of affiliate marketing. The digital realm offers unprecedented opportunities for individuals to start and grow online businesses. By looking into key affiliate marketing trends, you can discover how you can leverage them to build a thriving online venture. Niche, selection and personal branding. The foundation of a successful online business starts with a carefully chosen niche. The emphasis on personal branding has never been more crucial. Identify a specific area of focus that aligns with your interests and expertise, whether it's fitness, technology or personal finance. Ensure it's an area where you can provide genuine value. Building a solid personal brand across platforms is essential. Create a professional website, establish a cohesive presence on social media, and consistently deliver content that reflects your brand identity. Your unique voice and authenticity will set you apart in a crowded digital space. Content creation and engagement. In the world of digital content, the importance of quality cannot be overstated, as content remains the most crucial aspect of your process, while ensuring that it is of the highest quality is of utmost importance. Craft compelling blog posts, create engaging videos, or launch a podcast that resonates with your target audience. Address their pain points, answer their questions, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Active engagement is equally vital. Respond promptly to comments, participate in discussions, and foster a sense of community. A dedicated and engaging audience is the bedrock of a successful online business. Leverage video content. The trend of video content continues to dominate. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels provide unparalleled opportunities to connect with your audience visually. Enhance your video content by creating informative and engaging videos that captivate your audience. Let your videos speak for themselves by delivering valuable information in a manner that is both entertaining and informative, that will captivate and engage your audience with your unique blend of expertise and personality. Use this as an opportunity to showcase your talents and build your brand with dynamic video content that will leave a lasting impression. Live streaming has also become a powerful tool for building real-time connections. Host Q&A sessions, product demonstrations, or behind-the-scenes glimpses to foster a more intimate relationship with your audience. Embrace the versatility of video to maximize your online presence. Understanding search engine optimization, SEO for visibility. Search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO, remains a cornerstone of online success. In modern times, staying visible on search engine results will be more competitive than ever. Conduct comprehensive keyword research to understand your audience's search intent and optimize your content accordingly. Create compelling meta descriptions, use alt tags for images, and focus on mobile optimization. It's important to prioritize user-friendly design and fast loading times in order to receive a higher search engine ranking. Affiliate marketing strategies. Affiliate marketing is a driving force behind many successful online businesses that it has evolved over time. Choose affiliate products or services that resonate with your audience. The key is authenticity. Only promote products you genuinely believe in. Craft compelling and transparent content when reviewing or recommending affiliate products. Share personal experiences and explain how these offerings can be used to solve specific problems. Authenticity builds trust, fostering a loyal audience that values your recommendations. Diversification of income streams. Never just rely on one income source. To safeguard your online business, diversify your income streams. Beyond affiliate marketing, explore avenues like sponsored content, digital products, or even online courses. Multiple revenue streams can increase your income potential while providing more stability in a rapidly changing digital landscape. Make sure to stay up to date with the latest technological advancements that are shaping the digital landscape. Emerging technologies such as augmented reality and artificial intelligence, AI, will significantly influence online interactions. You can explore these technologies that can be used to enhance user experiences and help your business differentiate itself from competitors. Invest time learning about new skills and platforms to streamline your workflow. Automation and AI-driven analytics can provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior, helping you to refine your strategies. As we navigate the exciting landscape of affiliate marketing, remember that success is achievable with dedication, authenticity, consistency, and a commitment to staying informed. By understanding and leveraging key trends, embracing innovative technologies, and building a solid personal brand, you can have the power to unlock unparalleled success in your online business journey. If you are finding this content to be helpful, then make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. And if you would like to understand more elements of how you can start your business online with affiliate marketing, then you can check out the videos on screen that will provide a lot more information on how you can get started.